In front of me is NUBIA Air, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to create an audio file and add it instantly, use this icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on this microphone to record. Restart by tapping on left one, or end it by clicking on the red one. Now you can listen to it and hit attach to add it to your message. If you want to add one that's already on your smartphone, click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Select Files and look for your audio one by hitting Audio at the top, tapping on one of those apps, or what most people miss, by selecting those three lines at the top left corner to pick any of those sections, like Downloads. Either way, find your file and click on it to attach it. When it comes to video one, you can use the same plus to hit Camera, switch from photo to video, record it instantly, and when you finish it, it will be automatically attached to your message. To add a video that's already on your phone, use this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Click on it here. Or if you can't find it, scroll all the way down and look for it here. You can also switch between photos and albums. Then hit Done and send it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!